Let's look at the solutions of geometry weights. In the figure given below, what is the ratio of the area of the outer and the inner regular hexagon if the two are separated by squares of equal sizes? Okay. I'm saying if this is A, this is A, this height here will be root 3 by 2A. And this height here is A. So the two shapes that are similar, I know there for the inner hexagon, the line from the center to one of the side is root 3 by 2A, and the line out to the former center, out to the outer hexagon is root 3 by 2A plus A. This is the ratio of dimensions. So if I need the ratio of area, I simply need to square this up. First thing I'll get rid of is 1 is, so if I square it up, I'll get 3 by 4 is 2. In fact, let me write it as root 3 plus 2 whole thing by 2. So I will get 3 plus 4 plus 4 root 3 divided by 4. So this and this will get cancelled. So I have 3 is to 7 plus 4 root 3. Acha, they wanted me in the order of outer to inner regular hexagon. So our correct answer will be option D. Next, in the figure given below, C is perpendicular to AD, AF is perpendicular to DC. If CE is, okay, this is 90, this is 90. Okay, if this is X, this is Y, this is Y, because 90, 90, everything I can see. So they need me to find out CD. CD is opposite to Y. No, 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 no. CD is opposite to Y, is opposite to 90. CD is opposite to 90. So CD opposite to 90, here I get AD. Opposite to X I get CE. Opposite to X I get AF. Why is my pen not working appropriately? Okay. And opposite to Y I have ED. Opposite to Y I have DF. Basically what I've done is I've proved ADF is similar to CED. Finally, I need length of CD. So let me see if within these I have something. CE, I know this. AF, I know this. AD, I know this. Yo, my life is simple. So CD is equal to C 5.2 by 4.8 into 7.1. How useless. So this is 13, this is 12. So 17,910 plus 13,923, 92.3 by 12. I have to divide this also now. So 784, so 883, 8.6. Okay. So 119. So 7.69. So on I will get. Among the available options, I'll mark D, but D is not precise. It is an approximation. Okay. In a right angle triangle with PQR, PQR with angle Q is equal to 90. Okay. 90. PQR. S is the midpoint of PR. Okay. Right angle triangle midpoint. Trigger has to be circumcenter. And QS is root 117. Okay. If this is root 117, PR, the entire length, this is equal to 2 root 117. This is circumcenter. The sum of length of side PQ and QR is 30. If this is X, this is 30 minus X. What is the area in centimeter square of triangle PQR? This is pretty useless. This is amazingly useless. All I need is, I have the base PR. I have, oh, this is not the height. This is just the midpoint. Okay, okay. But even if it is the midpoint, will it not be 90 degree? Let me think. Will it be 90 degree? It is going through the midpoint of a chord. Of course, it will be 90 degree. What am I thinking? So half into root 117 into 2 root 117. So 117 I'm getting. But if it was 117x and 30 minus x doesn't make sense. Ah, this will not be the height. Just let me see. No. I'm thinking this way. In a circle, if I have a diameter, this line will be root 117, but it will not be the altitude. So okay, I can't operate with the idea that root 117 is the height. Okay, so this will not work. But then how do I link it? Okay, I can link it this way. X square plus, how much is this? 900 plus x square minus 60x is equal to 2 root 117. So 4 into 117. So 468. Okay. So I bring it over. 2x square minus 30x. 450 से 18 का minus 430 plus 432 is equal. Why is this? It should become 30 in the next step, not right now. Now it will become x square minus 30x plus 216 is equal to 0. So I'll get x minus 18 and x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x will either be 12 or 30 minus x will be 12 or 18. So area will be given by half into 12 into 18. So cancel, 18 into 6. I will get 108. Yes, answer to this should be 108. Yo. Next, in the given figure below, ABCD is a square. W, X, Y, Z are points inside A, B, C, D, and DA respectively, such that A, W is to W is 1 is to 1. Okay, so if this is X, this is X. BX is to XC is 3 is to 2. So this is 3Y, this is 2Y. DY is to YC is 4 is to 1. 4Z and Z. AZ is to ZD is 3 is to 1. 3W and W. Given that ABCD is a square, I simply need a number that is a multiple of 2, multiple of 5, and multiple of 4. I can see 20. So I can happily break it down as 10 and 10 and 12 and 8 and 4 and 16 and 5 and 15. I've got my entire side lengths now. So if I'm looking ratio of area of square ABCD to that of quadrilateral WXYZ, I know my answer will be 400 by something. It could end up being like this also, but let's see. So 12 into 5, this will be 60. 4 into 8, this will be 16. 16 into 5, this will be 40. 15 into 10, this will be 75. So 75 plus 16 is 91. Plus 100, 191. 191 from 400 gone. So I'm left with 400 by 209. Therefore, option C. Next, a square is inscribed in a circle of area 64 pi centimeter square. So I've been told pi r square is equal to 64 pi. So r is equal to 8. So square is inscribed in this. If a square is inscribed in this, I've been told the radius is 8. If radius is 8, diameter is 16. So the side here will be 8 root 2. 8 root 2. Okay. Another circle is inscribed in the square. When you have another circle inscribed in the square, the radius for that will be 4 root 2. This Chotu circle will have a radius of 4 root 2. The area of the circle inscribed inside the square is. So pi 4 root 2 square. So it will be 32 pi. So answer to the question should be option B. That will be all for this episode. Hopefully you learned something. Okay, bye.